Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing aquascaping tools. So this is going to be an overview, show you guys what the tools look like. That way you know what you're getting ahead of time. So right away, tool number one is this. Think of it like a little pliers, but not. So that is tool number one. Looks like you get another one, the same thing, but this one is straight forward while the other one is bent at an angle. Number two is this tool, triangled tool, and then on the other hand you have a small type spade. Up next, you have a scissors that's angled. So you guys see that angle? So an angled long scissors. So as you can see, they're very long. And that's what you get with this kit in this set. And of course, the nice carrying bag for it.